In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your saved homes on Zillow desktop. We'll start on a computer, using any modern browser such as Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. In the address bar, type Zillow.com and press Enter. The site will load to the home page or your last search. If you aren't already signed in, look toward the top right of the page. You should see a Sign In option. Click it, enter your login details, and complete the prompt. If you're already signed in, you'll see your profile icon instead, often a small circle with your initials or a generic avatar. Next, click that profile icon in the top right. A drop-down menu appears. From this menu, choose Saved Homes. This takes you straight to the list of properties you favorited while browsing, the ones you marked with the heart icon. Think of this as your personal shortlist. Zillow stores those homes here so you can come back later without having to redo your search. On the Saved Homes page, scroll to see everything you've saved. Click any home to open its details, view photos, check price history, read the description, or look at neighborhood information. If you decide a place no longer belongs on your shortlist, click the heart icon again to unsave it. It will disappear from this list, but you can always favorite it again later if you change your mind. A quick tip: saved homes are different from saved searches. Saved homes are the individual listings you heart. Saved searches are the search criteria you store to get alerts. If you're looking for one and seeing the other, use the drop-down under your profile to switch between them. If your saved homes aren't showing up, double-check that you're logged into the same Zillow account you used when you clicked the heart on those listings. It's easy to have more than one account, especially if you've signed in with different providers on different devices. Also, make sure you're on the desktop version of the site, not a private browsing window that might block some sign-in cookies. A quick refresh can help as well. And that's it. Open Zillow.com, sign in, click your profile icon, select Saved Homes, and review your favorites. Keep your shortlist current by unsaving places you've ruled out and revisiting the ones that still look promising. Remember, any changes you make while signed in will sync across your devices, so your saved homes on desktop will match what you see in the mobile app. Happy house hunting!